Good morning, students. Today in science we are going to start another block 16, our atmosphere. The LP1 layers of atmosphere. Before we start, get ready with your content book of science, volume 2 of science, pencil, eraser and sharpener. Hope you are ready, students. The aim of the LP1 is to compare the features of the layers of the atmosphere. The keywords which are included are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, ionosphere, exosphere. So these are the layers of atmosphere. Okay. Now students, have where you have heard the word atmosphere, have you heard this word atmosphere? Yes, right. So what does it mean? Do you know the meaning of atmosphere? Okay, the meaning of the atmosphere is atmosphere is a blanket of air, means it consists of air, more amount of air that surrounds the earth. Okay, what is atmosphere? Atmosphere is a blanket of air that surrounds the earth. Here you can see, so this is the atmosphere, this full, it is the atmosphere. So it is like a blanket of air, right, it surrounds the earth. Where it is present around the earth only. Okay, so what it is made up of, do you know that one? Right, if we have something we will say what does it contain, what it is made up of, like these questions will be there now. So now you know the atmosphere means it is a blanket of air. Now you will ask, ma'am, what does it contain of, what it is made up of? Okay, these all things we will discuss today. So it is made up of many gases like oxygen, nitrogen, water vapor, right, like this. The atmosphere it is made up of. Okay, how much it is extended means it is from the earth surface, it is above 500 kilometer, beyond means above 500 kilometer it is there, full up to the exosphere it is extended. Okay, right, now it is made up of many layers. Okay, these layers actually imaginary layers. Okay, so these are made up of many layers. These layers we only have been divided, okay, for our understanding. So now what you have to do, you just like this, you draw the table and you have columns and rows also you have to draw. First one layers you write, second one altitude, altitude means height. Okay, next one features, next one use. Okay, these things you write. Now after explanation you have to complete this one. Okay, so here, so do you know how many layers we have? How many layers that atmosphere have? The atmosphere have 5 layers. Okay, first layer is the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. Okay, you can see here the layers of the atmosphere. Okay, so troposphere is the layer just above the earth surface. You can see here in the red, okay, around the earth it is the troposphere, which is the first layer of the earth here. Okay, so it is the first layer of the earth just above the earth surface. Most of the weather changes happen here, rainfall, summer, winter, according to the seasons weather also changes or not, like that most of the weather changes will happen in the troposphere. Then next layer above this troposphere we have stratosphere. Okay, what this stratosphere? In the stratosphere the air is less dense, means whatever the air means air will be there now, that air will be less compared to the troposphere. Then after this ozone layer will be there. What is ozone layer and how it is useful to us, we will discuss in the LP3. Now next, after this stratosphere layer we have mesosphere. Okay, the mesosphere it is the third layer in the atmosphere. The temperature is low and it also have less dense. Okay, less dense means air, amount of the air is less. Then next we have thermosphere. The thermosphere means it is high in temperature, okay, as it is in the space, coming to the space, so it is in high temperature. And it is helpful to us. How it is helpful means, in this layer the radio communication will take place. Whatever the artificial satellites, do you know this word, artificial satellites, which revolve around the earth, which will take the signals and it will send back the signals. So this radio communication will takes place in the thermosphere, okay. Then next we have the exosphere, which is the last outermost layer, right. It is bends into the outer space, okay. After that space will start, okay. And it is made up of hydrogen and helium. It is also the hotter layer, we will call it. The temperature is very hot, right. So do you know in which layer the atmosphere do we live, right? We live in the troposphere. You can see here we live in the first layer, that is troposphere, okay. Because the gravity pulls whatever the gases are present, like oxygen, which is important to us, nitrogen, other gases, whatever the gases are present in the air, they are very dense, they are present in high amount in the troposphere only. That's why the life whatever we are living in the troposphere only, okay, here. Then after that we have the stratosphere of, right. So how the stratosphere is helpful means, in the stratosphere the jet planes will fly, okay. Then how the jet planes will fly, how it is helpful, why not in troposphere means, as it is a dense area, as it is more air will be present in the troposphere, so that air pressure will stops to, means it will create the problems to the jet planes to the fly. So as in troposphere you can see there is less air compared to the troposphere, so that jet planes can easily fly, okay. So the jet planes are present or fly in the troposphere, understood. So in the mesosphere you can see shooting stars. Have you heard these shooting stars? Shooting stars means meteors, right. So those meteors we can see in the mesosphere. After the thermosphere will be there. In the thermosphere you can see artificial satellites, right. And in the exosphere, it is the last layer, you can see the whatever rockets they are moving from the exosphere, it will moves into the outer space. So these are the 5 layers of the atmosphere, okay. So on what basis do you think the atmosphere is divided? I told you that these are just imaginary, it is not actually like this. So how we can identify and how it is divided means, see, the temperature within the layer follows a pattern, right. You can see the temperature in the troposphere is different compared to the stratosphere, and compared to between mesosphere and stratosphere, temperature is different. So as we go upper and upper, then the temperature will become lesser and lesser, right. As due to the less dense of air, the temperature will become low, and what happened after the mesosphere, the temperature will become high, understood. So as this one you have to keep in your mind, that as we go upper and upper means from above and above to the another sphere, then what another layer of the atmosphere, then the dense of the air will become lesser and lesser, understood. So these here we have completed the layers of atmosphere. Now all of you open your volume 2 page number 40, write today's date, layers of atmosphere. The first question, you have to draw the layers of atmosphere, you have to label it, okay. The second question, you can take the help of the content book to draw the atmosphere layers, okay. How is troposphere different from stratosphere? Just now we have discussed what is present in the troposphere, right, and how it is different from stratosphere, that you can write. Third question, how does the temperature vary within one layer of the atmosphere? Give one support of your answer. So how the temperature is different in one layer, okay, that you have to write here. Okay, how the increase and decrease of the temperature, how the temperature will become vary, that you can write in the third question. So now we will go through the second LP2.